Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearners. Today we are going to discuss text styling in CSS. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, let's see which topic we cover in this video. First we see text coloring. We already see because of it is in this topic, that's why I include this. And after that we align the text according to our need. Then we decorate text according to our designing format. And after that transformation, and then text spacing, and in the last we see text shadowing. So without further delay, let's start. Now first of all, I have this type of structure. Here I have first a div, then h1 tag. After that we have p tag, and here I style using the style tag of HTML. First I have this div class. I use this class to style our h1 and p tag. Okay, I use dot text for mid for coloring our text. We use color. We already see color colon and specify the color. For example, I use blue, and now I use live server for reducing a refresh part. Okay, you see the color, and after that we have text align. Text align. I use text align center. It center our text in page. Okay, we can use right also. We can use left. By default it is left. We can also use left. Saving this, I use refresh, but I can use with the help of save. Okay, and now after that we have justify. Justify means it align the text according to the available space, or it look like in the same format. Okay, after that we have end. Justify, well, align end. Saving this, you can see it is something like right, or we can use start also. Start. Saving, you can see it is in start. And after that we have text decoration. Text decoration. For text decoration, first we specify the line. Without line it not appear. Okay, I line use underline. Underline which we use in link part or some important text. And after that link, we underline, we have overline. Okay, after overline we have line through. When some word or keyword in our VS Code or any language is not being used, then our text editor shows this type of underline through word. It means this word is not used anymore. It means it deprecated. After that we have under and overline both at the same time. Underline and then over overline. Okay, saving this, you can see. Okay, and after that we have a line color. By default it choose the text color. If we want to define it, we can do this. Okay, use color. For color I use green. Saving this, you can see the color. After that we have text decoration. Thickness. Thickness, if we define 4 pixel, see the change. Okay, or I remove this because I don't like this. Okay, after that we have text decoration style. Text decoration, style. We use dotted, we can use dotted, we can use way, we can use dash. Okay, there's a lot more. Yeah, what if we want to use all of this in single line? How we can do? We can do with the help of text decoration. First use underline, overline, whatever you want. Then style. For example, I use solid. Then the color. For example, I use choose red and then save. You can see. Now after that we cover our text transformation. Okay. For text transformation we can use, I just remove this. Okay. Text transform. For this we can use uppercase. If we use uppercase, see the change. If we use lowercase, see the change. If we use capitalize, see the change. It means for uppercase all the letters are in capital case. For lower it is in lower case, and capitalize first word of the first letter in capitalize, first letter of the word is in capital case. Okay, and after that we have text spacing. For this we can use text indent indent and choose, for example I choose 5 pixel and save. Nothing happened. I use 50 px and save. This is text indentation. It means it indented our first starting word of the sentence. Okay, and after that we have letter spacing. Letter spacing. For example, I choose 5 pixel. What does it mean? If I use, okay, see the change. It is slow. That's why it takes some time. It takes after one letter it takes 5 pixel space, and after that we have, just I remove this, line height. Line height, if we choose 0.8 and say, you can see it is a small line height. If we choose 1.8, it is large line height. It means the spacing between these two line, these three line and these line. Okay, after that we have word spacing. First of all I remove this, I remove this also. Word spacing, I choose 10 pixel and see the change. This is 10 pixel. After each word it having 10 pixel space. If we choose minus 2 pixel, let's see the change and save. You see that this is by default. If I remove this and save, it is like this, and if I use this and save, this space changes. Okay, if we increase this, the word come closer. If you continuously it is 1 hour. Okay, after that we have white this. No wrap. It means it is in single line. If you want to use this, you can use. After that we have text shadowing. Text you can use to px to px red and save. This is our text. You can use 3 dimension to px again and save. And if you want to do this 3 px save, it's remove. Okay, we use 3. After that we can use 3 color. If you want to use a different text shadow, for example I use 1px, 1px, 2px black, then comma 0 comma 0 not comma space 25px blue, and after that comma 0 comma space 0 5px dark blue. Now see the change. This is our text shadow. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.